Vocabulary class with Fluent AI class quiz. Today we will learn about organs. Quiz instructions. The quiz has 10 questions. Write numbers 1 to 10 down the side of the page. Select your answer by choosing the correct organ to match the image. We will then go through the answers one by one together. Can you name the organ? The eye, the bladder, the ear. Can you name the organ, the bladder, the stomach, the intestine? Can you name the organ, the stomach, the liver, the kidneys? Can you name the organ, the liver, the heart, the lungs? Can you name the organ, the stomach, the bladder, the heart? Can you name the organ, the pancreas, the gallbladder, the kidneys? Can you name the organ, the stomach, the liver, the pancreas? Can you name the organ, the bladder, the gallbladder, the intestine? Can you name the organ, the kidneys, the lungs, the intestine? Can you name the organ, the bladder, the gallbladder, the appendix? Class quiz. Let's see the answers. The correct organ is the eye. The right answer is the stomach. The correct organ is the kidneys. The right answer is the heart. The correct answer is the bladder. The correct answer is the pancreas. The right answer is the liver. The correct answer is the intestine. The correct answer is the lungs. The correct answer is the gallbladder. Class quiz. Well done if you chose the correct answer. Thanks for watching. With Fluent AI, hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos.